When it comes to upgrading or renovating your home, the choice of windows and doors can significantly impact your home's aesthetic appeal, energy efficiency, security, and overall comfort. If you're considering new windows and doors, Redmond Windows and Doors offer a combination of quality, durability, and functionality that can enhance every aspect of your home. Whether you're building a new home or replacing old windows and doors, the investment in Redmond Windows and Doors brings a host of benefits that can improve your living experience and save you money in the long run. In this article, we'll explore the top benefits of installing Redmond Windows and Doors in your home and why they are a wise choice for homeowners. Energy efficiency for year-round comfort. One of the primary reasons homeowners choose Redmond Windows and Doors is their energy efficiency. In today's world, it's crucial to invest in windows and doors that help reduce energy consumption. Redmond Windows and Doors are designed with advanced insulating features such as double or triple glazing, low E-glass coatings, and gas-filled spaces that significantly reduce heat transfer. During the cold winter months, these windows and doors keep the heat inside, preventing drafts and cold air from entering your home. In the summer, they help keep the cool air inside while blocking out the heat from the sun, making it easier to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. By installing energy-efficient windows and doors, you can save on heating and cooling costs, making your home more comfortable year-round and reducing your energy bills. Enhanced home security. Another major benefit of installing Redmond Windows and Doors is the increased security they offer. Windows and doors are the most vulnerable points in a home when it comes to break-ins, so choosing high-quality, secure options is essential for keeping your family and belongings safe. Redmond Windows and Doors are equipped with advanced locking mechanisms, reinforced glass, and sturdy frames that make it more difficult for intruders to gain access to your home. Impact-resistant glass is available with many of Redmond's window and door options, providing an additional layer of protection against forced entry. Whether you're looking for sliding windows, French doors, or entry doors, you can trust Redmond's products to provide enhanced security and peace of mind for your family. Improved curb appeal and aesthetic value. Your home's curb appeal is important not just for your enjoyment but also for its value in the real estate market. Redmond Windows and Doors come in a variety of styles, finishes, and materials to suit any home design, whether you have a traditional, modern, or contemporary aesthetic. From sleek sliding windows and large picture windows to elegant French doors and stylish entry doors, Redmond Windows and Doors enhance the exterior of your home, giving it a polished, updated look. By upgrading your windows and doors, you not only improve the appearance of your home but also add visual appeal that can increase its overall market value. Redmond Windows and Doors are a great investment if you're looking to improve your home's aesthetic charm and make a lasting impression on visitors or potential buyers. Noise reduction for a quieter home. Living in a noisy neighborhood or near a busy street can be frustrating, especially if unwanted noise affects your ability to relax and enjoy your home. Redmond Windows and Doors offer soundproofing benefits by using high-quality glass and advanced sealing techniques. This can significantly reduce the amount of noise that enters your home from the outside, creating a more peaceful and comfortable environment. Whether it's the sound of traffic, construction, or noisy neighbors, installing Redmond windows and doors can help block out distractions and ensure a more serene indoor atmosphere. This is especially beneficial for homeowners who work from home, have small children, or simply prefer a quieter living space. Durability and low maintenance. One of the key advantages of Redmond windows and doors is their durability and low maintenance requirements. Constructed from high-quality materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, or composite, Redmond windows and doors are built to withstand the elements and resist damage from weather, UV rays, and general wear and tear. Unlike traditional wooden frames, which may rot or require frequent painting and sealing, Redmond windows and doors are designed to last for years with minimal upkeep. This low maintenance feature means you'll spend less time and money on repairs or replacements, giving you more time to enjoy your home. Additionally, Redmond products are resistant to fading, cracking, and warping, ensuring they continue to perform well and look great over the long term. Eco-friendly option. In today's environmentally conscious world, eco-friendly products are increasingly important. Redmond windows and doors offer green features that help reduce your home's carbon footprint. Many of their products are made from sustainable materials and feature energy-efficient designs that minimize your home's environmental impact. By choosing energy-efficient windows and doors, you're contributing to a more sustainable future while also benefiting from lower utility bills. Additionally, many Redmond windows are recyclable, making them an excellent choice for homeowners who want to ensure that their home improvements are as environmentally responsible as possible. Increased property value. Investing in Redmond windows and doors can also increase your home's market value. Potential buyers often look for homes that offer modern, energy-efficient features, security, and visual appeal, all of which are qualities offered by Redmond windows and doors. Whether you plan to sell your home soon or just want to increase its value for the future, upgrading to Redmond products is a smart choice that can give you a return on investment. Conclusion. Why Redmond windows and doors are worth the investment. Redmond windows and doors offer a range of benefits that can improve the comfort, security, and value of your home. From energy efficiency and noise reduction to enhanced curb appeal and low maintenance, these windows and doors provide long-lasting solutions that suit a variety of homeowner needs. By choosing Redmond windows and doors, you're investing in high-quality, durable products that will enhance the overall aesthetic and performance of your home. Whether you're replacing old windows or updating your doors, Redmond windows and doors offer the perfect combination of style, security, and functionality.